Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about products that are an absolute value for money, and these are products that come in like huge tubs and big quantity. And the reason I thought of making this video is because I was thinking about products that come in big giant sizes and something that you don't have to keep repurchasing. And I was very grateful for these products, especially during the lockdown when I didn't have to go out and keep repurchasing it, and there were no options to repurchase even e-commerce were like on a halt for a while, and to get these products would have been a task. And I know this is not a usual concept, and I'm pretty sure nobody else has done this video because I tried looking it up in case it was already done, but no, nobody had done this video. And today's video I'm going to be talking about just like bath and body products, hair products and stuff like that, not makeup. I feel like most of the foundations and everything are big and we don't run out of it. So in this video I'm not just talking about products that are like giant sizes, but are of really good quality, good value for money, and products that I really like personally. So I'm not just going to be mentioning anything and everything just because it comes in a giant tub. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is this Face Shop rice water cleansing balm. So I don't think I'll go through it anytime soon. Like, look at the quantity of that. That's a lot of product, and you get about 200 ml of product, which is really nice. That is 6.7 fluid ounces. So this kind of melts down the makeup so well, takes off every bit of makeup, and just a little goes a long way, and you would never run out of this in I think about at least 6 to 7 months time. So you don't really have to go out and constantly repurchase a cleansing balm. Like the Plum E-Luminance cleansing balm I really like, but I am almost out of it right now, so I can always count on it. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is also from Face Shop. This is their the next product I'm going to be talking about is also from Face Shop. This is their Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. Now this one you get 150 ml of product, and this retails for 850 rupees, and on a discount you can get it for as low as 720 rupees, which is amazing, especially after you use a cleansing cream like this. Then to use a cleanser like that, you wouldn't really need a lot of product. This foams up pretty well, takes off every ounce of makeup, and I don't really find a lot of makeup residue left on my face. Now I am someone, like, if I have makeup on my face, I would like to use a cleanser that has more surfactants to it, something that lathers a little more rather than something that is very mild, because I feel like it doesn't do a very good job in taking off every bit of makeup. So that is the time I actually use this kind of a product. It's so good, and look at the size of it. It is pretty big, and you wouldn't run out of this really fast. And I feel like most of the times we don't really have the money to keep going out and buying more and more products, and especially if you're getting like pocket money, or especially if you're saving up for something else, or you're someone who just doesn't like to spend money redundantly. These kind of products you just invest once and it would last you for a long time. You don't really have to set aside budget every month to just go out and buy that product every month or every 2 months. It is going to be in your house for quite some time. I mean, it's like that guest who would never leave, who would procrastinate and stay as long as they can. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is something that we've emptied out. This is the Jergens Ultra Healing moisturizer. This is for the body. It is mentioned that it is for extra dry skin. And now this one retails for around 799 rupees or something like that, and you get 600 ml of product in this, which again, this was something that my husband and I, both of us, were using this non-stop, especially during the lockdown. Like every time we had to go out, come wash our hand and then to moisturize. Hand creams I felt like were not a good value for money. They just come in such a small tube, and you could run out of it really fast. And then my husband just randomly found this in a medical shop, and he was like, you know what, we should start using this because this is very hydrating as well, and you get a lot of quantities. You don't really run out of it really fast. And this one is so nourishing on the skin. I have dry skin, but my husband has like extra dry skin, and this is the only moisturizer he swears by. It's very hydrating, and both of us have used this, and this lasted us for a really long time. I want to say it was we had this for at least, I think, starting from March, April, May, June. We had this for at least over 5 months, at least 5 to 6 months. So once you invest like 799 rupees, you get to use it for at least 5 to 6 months, you guys. So moisturizing, and it's not very heavily scented. It doesn't trigger my eczema. I have some eczema patch on my hand, and some kind of like moisturizers and something that is heavily scented or certain ingredients can trigger it a lot more, and I feel like this one doesn't do that. I know a lot of you guys would be really interested in this, especially as we are approaching winter time. So I would recommend you guys try this one out. So this retails for 669 rupees, you guys. The price is right here, which is I think a steal for the price. And we are now on to our second jar of this. So that's a really nice product. And if you're someone who doesn't really like creamy moisturizers, if you want something a little more thicker, you can try this one. This is the Body Shop Strawberry Body Butter. Now the reason, I don't know, for some reason I'm particularly obsessed with this fragrance from Body Shop. This is the first one that I ever tried and I always stuck to it. I love their shower gel. That's the only shower gel that doesn't trigger my eczema. So I always stick to the strawberry shower gel, and just to pair it up I use this one. So this again, you get quite a lot of products, 6.75 fluid ounce, and little goes a long way. Again, I use this for my arms and legs and anywhere on my body. Every single time I want to moisturize, I moisturize my tummy, I use this particular product and it's really nice. Once we emptied this one out, I needed another moisturizer, so I bought this one, and this is something that I still use a lot, and especially like if I'm going out and I want to smell and I want the smell to linger for a little time. It doesn't linger for the longest time, but it does linger for a certain amount of time. I do like this. I feel like it's very, very moisturizing, but my husband still prefers the Jergens one over this. For some reason he's like, no, I like my Jergens. I don't really like this strawberry body butter and all that. So I'm like, okay, good. I get to use something exclusively. And then another shower gel that I feel like is a complete value for money is the St. Ives Vanilla Body Wash. Now this one you get 400 ml of product, and this retails for 399 rupees. So you can get this one on a discount on Nykaa most of the times, but I got this from a supermarket near my place. And this again, you need a very little amount of it. It smells really nice, very refreshing. It can dry your skin out. So if you have very dry skin, just be wary of that. And if you have like eczema or something on your body, it can trigger that, so just keep that in mind. It does trigger my eczema occasionally, so I try to not use it on places where I have eczema, especially this arm. It's very sensitive, my right arm. I have to be very careful with the products I use right here, but the rest of my body is okay. I'm not very sensitive, so I'm not very picky with my body products. This again, I really like this fragrance of it. It is so delicious, it smells so yummy, and again, this would last you a really long time. So if at all we're going to have another lockdown, you guys are going to be prepared with like giant sizes of products, because we don't know if there's another lockdown, how long is it going to last. So yeah, this is something that I have already tried out, and this is my second jar of it, and this again would last you for at least 2 months, because we shower every day and sometimes twice a day, so we would need a little more of shower gel than we do of all the other products, I'm hoping. So this will last you at least, I think, in my opinion, 2 months or 1.5 months for sure. So, and the next product is something that I feel is a little bit essential for my shower routine these days. So this is the Tree Hut Sheer Sugar Scrub. Now, this one is in the variant Coconut Lime. It smells delicious. And this is how it looks. I have used it quite a lot, and I've been using it quite a lot. I use it for my underarms, I use it for my legs. So sometimes I use it every single week or once in 2 weeks, and it just does an amazing job of exfoliating my skin and also getting rid of that dead skin cells, especially my underarms. Before I'm going to shave, I like to exfoliate it, and it keeps that area really fresh. It smells really nice, and I think if you are someone who suffers a lot from body odor, try exfoliating your underarms. You know, it actually really helps more than, you know, using all these deodorants and everything. Try exfoliating as well, and I think it's such a vital step for me right now. If I don't do it, I can actually find a difference. So this is something that I really like. When you first touch it, the granules do seem a little bit thick, and it's something that feels a little harsh. But what you have to do is you have to wet your skin a little bit and then massage this into your skin, and it actually dissolves, and all those granules disappear. This smells really nice. This one retails for 750 rupees, and you get 150 grams of product, but they do have a bigger size as well, and I would recommend you guys try out that size. I mean, like, if you want to first start out with a body scrub and you're not sure how it's going to fare, I think this one would do a good job. But if you are like, no, I think I would just buy the full size of it, I think you should try out the other size, because I am definitely, once I'm done with this, I would like to go out and buy the other size of this. And yeah, again, this one little goes a long way. Don't really use too much of product, you wouldn't need it, and I haven't gone through it just yet. So I have still quite a lot of product left, and once you're out of the shower, and your bathroom as well would smell so good. And then another product is a shampoo. This is the Bedhead fully loaded massive volume shampoo. This is the only shampoo that somehow magically is suiting my hair. There's no dandruff, no flakiness, no dryness, no itchiness, and it just adds a little bit of volume as well. My hair looks a lot more healthier when I use this. Not very dry looking, not very frizzy. It is color treated, so I want a shampoo that's not very drying and not very stripping, and I feel like this does the job pretty well for me. And this one you get 250 ml of product, and this one retails for 1100 rupees, but I never buy it for the full price. I always wait for a discount and I get it for 800 rupees. That is a steal, you guys. That is amazing. And for some reason during the lockdown I was trying to restock on this shampoo and it was sold out everywhere. It was just available on Myntra, and the minute I saw that there was only one left in stock, I ordered it immediately. And because the size was so big, I could manage with it, but I had to restock it because I just took it for granted that okay, fine, who would buy this shampoo? Probably not a lot of people know about it, but turns out a lot of people really like this, and it was getting sold out everywhere. So I have backups of this. So this is my third tube of this shampoo, and I have another one in backup. I'm always going to back up this shampoo and keep, because this works amazing for me. Now again, this shampoo is not sulfate free. So from my research and my opinion, I don't feel like sulfates are the biggest villains. So yeah, I really like this shampoo. And if you are someone who's not very bothered about sulfates in your shampoo, this one has really good reviews as well. Every single place I've read about this shampoo has really good review. It smells divine. It smells like some kind of like a strawberry shake, and your hair smells really good as well. And you don't really need a lot of this. Again, even if you have oil on your hair, it does cleanse it really well. Like take like twice. I cleanse my hair twice and that's it. I don't really have to use a lot of product with this. And then I found this on Nykaa. This was the Schwarzkopf Spa Essence Enriching Cream Mask. Now this one you get 500 ml. This one retails for 600 rupees and you can get it on a discount for about 495 rupees. Tell me, where can you find masks that is of this size at that price and something that is amazing? This one works wonders for my hair. I was very skeptical about this. I don't know if you guys can see from the reflection, but it's dented pretty well. It's something that I am using quite often now. I love the texture of this. It's so creamy, and this is what I use after every hair wash. I let it rest on my hair for at least 5 minutes and then wash it off. It's easy to wash it off as well, and it makes my hair so smooth, and I can actually find a difference in my hair, like the days I use it and the days I don't really use it. So right now I have used the Plum hair mask, which is pretty good as well, but I still like this one over that, and I would recommend you guys try this one out. Such a good mask, and this I think would last you at least for 6 months. I'm keeping it really positive here, like 6 months for sure. Next one I'm going to be talking about is a face moisturizer. Now this one might not be such big value for money, but I feel like it is, so I'm just going to put it out here. This is the Mango Seed Volume Butter for face. This one you get 50 ml of product. So I feel like okay, the full price of this is around 2,250 or something, but when there was a launch offer on Face Shop, like buy one get one free, I bought this one. So I have one jar, my husband has one jar, and we do use it quite a lot, but I've not gone through it. So little goes a long way. It has sort of like a body butter kind of a texture, so it is pretty thick, so little goes a long way. Now if you are very sensitive to fragrance and you have very sensitive skin, this might break you out. For me it works wonders, and this is my second jar actually, and I feel like it works really well underneath makeup or to moisturize your skin if it is super dry, and especially during the winter time. This one is amazing, and again, though you are kind of paying a little bit more for that, I feel like it is a value for money, you know. I think most of the Face Shop products are pretty big, and they are like, and they do come in giant jars. This one from Face Shop as well, the Rice Ceramide Cream, you get 50 ml of product, and this retails for 999 rupees, and you can get it for a discount. Like, it's just that this packaging looks a little bigger, but you get the same quantity of product, and even this is pretty good. And I feel like this product is not available throughout the year. I'm pretty sure you can get it very occasionally. I think it's a very seasonal launch, but this one I think would be available throughout the year, and this is also pretty good, very moisturizing, it hydrates my skin really well, and this one has a stronger fragrance, kind of hits you a little bit, so just be aware of that. So if you are someone who hates fragrance in skincare, then this you have to keep in mind. And then two products I use after I'm out of the shower for my hair, like when it's damp. This one is a Schwarzkopf Hyaluronic Moisture Kick Spray Conditioner. So I like these kind of leave-in conditioners, not because of not because they're going to super condition your hair or anything of the sort, but they just make your hair a lot more fizz free and manageable, and they kind of keep it hydrated and silky feeling. So I really like this, and a combination of this one with the System Professional Volumized Leave-In Conditioner. Now I usually use serums, leave-in conditioners and stuff like that to my hair occasionally, like whenever I feel like it needs it. I don't really use it every single time I wash my hair, but just when I feel like, you know, I have a special occasion to attend, or when I'm filming and I want my hair to look really nice, and I want it to be manageable so that I don't really spend a lot of time on my hair. So I use these kind of products. This one again is pretty good, and this you get 150 ml of product, and I have been using this for quite some time. Again, this is like that very foamy conditioner, and you just need very little amount of it, and you have to apply it to the tips of your hair. It looks so nice, you guys. This one you get 200 ml of product, and this retails for 950 rupees, but again I never bought it for the full price. I think I got it for like 700 rupees or something like that. And this is like a spray conditioner, so you have to like separate your hair in sections of it and then spray it onto the tips of your hair, and then just like leave it in and let it rest, and you would see an amazing difference to your hair. Let me know if you guys want to see a hair care routine, like a routine come products that I really like. I would really like to do that. And then the last product I'm going to be talking about is this Bath and Body Works body mist. Now this you get 236 ml, and this retails for 1300, but I got this for 799 when there was a sale. So now Bath and Body Works is always on sale, even on Nykaa and on their website, and sometimes I don't really buy two get one or anything. Just when an individual product comes on sale, that's when I buy it, because most of the times I don't really want to buy that many products. I just don't want to buy products because it's on sale. So I am looking to buy the body lotion as well, but that was not on sale, only this was, so I picked it up. I love the fragrance of this. It's amazing. It's so like, it's such a nighttime kind of a body mist, but I still use it during the day. But I'm just trying to give you a description of it. It smells really nice, and I'm not sure what are the notes on this, but I will leave it on the screen right here if I can find it. But I love the smell of this, and I use it like daytimes or nighttimes. I just described it as a nighttime scent. I like to be very lavish with my perfumes and body mist and everything. I don't like to be like that. So I like to just spritz myself. I spritz my clothes as well. I like drench my clothes in body mist, and I like the way my clothes smell, because that way it smells really nice, and then the fabric actually holds on to that scent, and even the next day my clothes are smelling really nice. So that's how I really like it. And for that, I don't want to do that with a very expensive perfume, something that is like 6,000 rupees, and then spritz it all over my clothes. I like to spend little and be cheap with my body mist, but get a lot, you know, spend little and get more. That's my concept, and that's how I really like my body mist to be. And for a lot of people, this might not work out because you get bored of scents. But I'm not someone like that. Like, I do get bored with scents, but I can manage. So I have quite a lot of other perfumes as well that I can switch up if in case I am bored. But I like this a lot. And sometimes I even spritz it onto my hair as well, just so that my hair smells really nice. I use it like a hair mist come body mist, and completely worth the price, I feel like. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. So if you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.